Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a fantasy portrait scene. Open your portrait and remove the background and add forest or mountains background. Paint soft purple and teal lighting on the slides. Add sparkles using the brush tool and also overlay a fog texture for dreamy depth. Use gradient map for fair style tone and also apply color lockup and select foggy night. And add wings, particles or glowing lights. No duplicate layers and blur background slightly. And paint highlights on eyes and cheeks. Adjust curves for contrast and also add floating dust for ethereal look and merge layers.